After identifying proper seat cover, begin by installing the headrest. Secure Velcro. This model requires a paper clip to be pressed into the pinhole in order to remove the headrest. Pull cover over seat back. Feed cover behind seat belt. Tuck front flap through seat separation. Use release lever to free seat back. Secure Velcro. Secure front flaps to seat cover back. Tuck cover under headrest mounting holes. Begin seat bottom installation by feeding seat belt through proper opening. Push rear flap through seat opening. Use seat bottom release lever to gain access to underside of seat. Secure Velcro flaps to factory carpet. Use third release lever to return seat to the upright position. Finish securing the Velcro flaps. Replace headrest and enjoy your new seat covers. Thank you for purchasing PrecisionFit seat covers.